We now come to the welding of a lap joint. Note that although we have selected to make this using aluminium, the setup and process is identical when working with other metals as well. The plates should be set up in the manner demonstrated. Note that for a lap joint, the plates should overlap by at least 3 metal thicknesses. For this exercise, our equipment will be set and adjusted to the same values as given in the previous exercise. The use of a clamping device will assist in holding the plates in position and in ensuring a good electrical connection to the bench. The plates are next tacked at either end. At this time, it is a good idea to tack on a run-off tab. The welding procedure for a lap joint is essentially identical to the inside corner joint. The torch is held at a 60 to 75 degree angle to the weld bead and the electrode offset from the axis at approximately 45 degrees. Maintain a steady torch, keeping the arc concentrated into the bottom section of the corner. As soon as the weld pool has formed, the filler must be introduced. At the end of the bead, continue onto the run-off tab, at which time the arc can be broken by simply lifting the torch away from the metal. The run-off tab can be removed later once the work has cooled. Inspect your weld. The bead should be evenly distributed between the 2 plates, even in width, and present uniformly spaced ripples. Practice the downhand welding of a lap joint on aluminium plate in your work area under the supervision of your instructor. This completes the basic TIG welding series. You can learn more skills by participating in other Tech AV programs in the Basic Industrial Skills series.